like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and doing like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. Feel free to like and subscribe. We'd love to have you. Today I have my single swag Colossal Mystery Box. Now, if you don't know about single swag, it is a subscription box, but they also have items on their site for sale that you don't have to subscribe to. This being one of them. And they also have, right now they have a Christmas box that I'm thinking about ordering too. Because I did do the Halloween one and I liked it. But this is $90, $99. But then every now and then they'll send me a coupon for 40% off. So basically I got all this for $60 delivered. And that includes shipping everything. So we're going to go through and see what we got. Okay, we got a Happy Holidays reindeer dishcloth, cheesecloth, dishcloth, whatever, you know. Then we got this book, Badass Habits, Cultivate the Awareness, Boundaries, and Daily Upgrades You Need to Make Them Stick. And it's just, I thought maybe it would have like a little checklist or something, but it doesn't. It's something you actually got to read the whole thing. You know how that goes. And then this one is a New York Times bestseller, and it's Good Company. It's by Cynthia Dupree Sweeney. And this is just, it's a novel. There's that. Okay, and we still have all this. Just letting you know. Okay. These are luggage tags. They're by Canyon Moon. And I do travel because of military brats and all. So these are cute. Yeah, those are cute. It says Wander on that one. And it just has, those are cute. Well, I'll just stick that down there because I'll probably keep those. Okay, then we got a sponge gel, and it's called Lavender Sky. And lavender triggers my asthma, so I don't usually use lavender. It's a major trigger. But if you're not familiar with sponge gel, it's just one of these gels and it has the body wash right in it. And I don't mind the ones that have the string. This one doesn't have the string, but I don't mind the ones that have the string. But the ones that don't have the string tend to get gooey, in my opinion. And a lot of people really love them. I just kind of think they get gooey, because they're sitting, like that soap dish, that soap bar when you were kids that used to sit in the soap dish and it would just get gooey. That's what it reminds me of. Okay, and this is Nobility Bar 1 Baronessa Luxury Hand Cream. And this is how I go about getting a lot of, stocking stuffers for my sister. It smells good. This stuff smells very good, actually. It smells very good for hand cream. I don't use a lot of hand creams because I don't know why. I don't know why I don't use hand creams. Because I do a lot of manly things I probably should. But I just don't. My best friend does. She uses a hand cream all the time. It smells good. It smells very good. And then I tend to, if I like something, I might take it out. Okay, this is Charlotte Star Revitalizing Eye Mask. I had a laugh last year. I did my sister's. And it was an old glossy box advent calendar. And I ran out of stuff. So I ran to Dollar Tree and I got her that. Hyaluronic acid from them. And their brand and everything. Darla says, Deb, I love this stuff. And all I could do is laugh. Because that was her favorite thing on the whole calendar. But this is what it looks like. can't open it because I just put that hand cream on. It's probably for the best because I'm probably going to put it in one of their... I got so many eye creams. I'll probably put it in one of their things. Then we have Lip Decadence Lip Mask. And I won't open that either because it goes on somebody's lips. So, which my sister's used to it. And then we got a sleep mask, which there's no point in opening either. I can't sleep with sleep mask on because everyone I've ever tried, and I have tried the kind not that aren't supposed to do that, but everyone I have tried, when I flutter my eyes, my eyelashes get stuck, and I can't stand it. It drives me crazy. So I don't wear a sleep mask. This is Chloe Emery soap dish set in fresh linen. That's a pretty box. Oh, and it even comes with a bar of soap. It smells good. And this is the dish. This is the dish. So that'll be somebody's. In somebody's. Although Darla didn't give me back her thing, and I told her, give it back to me because I got to do it at give it to you at Thanksgiving. So Darla may not be getting an advent calendar this year. Serve her right. Serve her right. Okay, then here's a pair of socks, and they are Classic Crew by Richard Poor. And I don't like socks. When I get socks, I give them to my sister. Although she shouldn't wear those either, but that's okay. This is a skin brush. Banish ingrown ingrown hairs and razor bumps. And it's sealed up at the end. We're going to open it from the bottom because we're sneaking. Here's my knife. These people will never know. They're used to it. A lot of times the stuff they get from me, I open it, look at it, and put it back in the box. So they'll be okay. They're used to it. It comes with the territory. So this is basically... I don't know if you've done that dry brushing. I've tried to do it. It didn't work. But, ooh, that's harsh. But that's what that's for. You just get your dead skin cells off. But it kind of hurts. Just kind of saying, it kind of hurt. So there's that. I have fragile little skin. My sister touched me one time. She says, "Oh my God, you got the softest skin." Yeah, it's Nivea after every time I shower. She says she don't have time for that. I'm like, you wished you had. Then we got this. This is a candle. What is it supposed to smell like? Because it does not say a scent. Oh, Sunset Park. This kind of smells like wax. It could have a scent, you know. I just got over that cold plus the COVID thing. I'm not smelling normal. And I may never again. And then we have Violet and Harper. And they really have nice jewelry too here. And it's a bracelet. It's a bracelet and an earring set. So somebody will get that for Christmas. Because, you know. Because that's the way I am. I giveth and I giveth. I was saying I take away, but I don't do that. Okay. Then we have I Woke Up Like This Skin Perfecting Primer. And that's a primer. Well, no, I didn't wake up like this because when I wake up, this hair is going, woo! Woo! Okie got nothing on me. I'll show a picture here, Okie. That's what my hair looks like in the morning. She's adorable. I need to bring my babies back. And this is what it looks like. It's just a small tube of primer. And all it is it builds tack so that your makeup will stay on your face longer. That's what it is. And this is CF Coffee and Walnut Superfood Renewing Facial Exfoliator. And if it has any smell of coffee in it, you know I am not using this crap because I can't stand the smell of coffee. It makes me physically sick. But I will. Oh, it's got a seal on it. It doesn't smell like coffee. It doesn't smell like coffee. I cannot stand the smell of coffee. Nasty. My dad used to drink it by the gallons too. Then we got this. Ivy Olivia Journey Refillable Travel Kit. Okay. We got this. Okay, what is it, you say? Well, it's these bottles. And this little thing. And this little thing. This little thing. And this little thing. And these, I assume you can just fill up with like your portable face mask and stuff you want to take with you. And just... So we're all ready for travel. Which I gotta do some real earning in the next couple weeks, because Kaylee wants me there when she has that baby, and that baby is not gonna wait till December. I'm telling you, it's not gonna wait. It's gonna look at her and say, "Ha, you had a plan, didn't you?" Guess what? New plan. So then you got 2 Christmas bags, which I will use. Oh, and then you got a hat to go with your gloves. We still got more stuff. We got more stuff. Okay, this is Skin Chemist Youth Series Green Caviar Day Moisturizer. Now, I know what caviar is in this fish eggs. It doesn't smell bad. Let's just do some testing. Oh, that's nice. You're not coming out. Sometimes when they seal those things. Oh, that's nice. It came out all at once. It splattered all over my hand. I now have green snot all over my hands. That's what it looks like. Does that not look like green snot to you? Okay. Doesn't feel like green snot. Feels very good, actually. What do I know about caviar? I'm poor white trash from the country. Okay, this is Baronessa, Sicily, Italy. It says Cali in the middle. Pomegranate rejuvenating foot cream. And let's see if it's... Whoa. I got so much crap on me I can't smell it. Oh, I can smell it when I turn it this way. Here, we'll put this one on this end. Oops. Kind of had a mishap. Kind of had a mishap. Kind of had a mishap. Sorry, me mama. Whoever gets that, it does smell like pomegranate. It definitely smells like pomegranate. Okay. Then this is upside down. Lip gloss, Brilliant Lavors. And it's Cruelty-free and vegan-free. Oh, I mean, and vegan, not vegan-free. Well, and we'll just pop this up. Oh, goodness. I don't know why they do this to me. I got it. I got it. We got this. Okay. And this is the color. And I'm not going to open it because, you know, well, I'll open it. I'm just not going to swatch it because I don't want to swatch it and then give it to somebody. There you go. So, oh, I still got two more things. Sorry. Two more things. Okay. We have Skin Pristine by So Susan Cosmetics. And it's Makeup Melting Cream Cleanser. This is one of those things that take your makeup off, and it probably is not good for my skin because I can't use that crap. Hold on. Oh, I see. Hold on, we got it. There we go. This just melts off your makeup, so. And it's sealed. Of course it's sealed. Come on, Fred. You can do it. There we go. Now I got her. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Let's try and do that again, see? Woo! And that's what it looks like. Now. So that's that. Then the last thing I got is Gemma Simone. It looks like this. And oh, it's a necklace. Oh, it's a double necklace. And it just has a plain disc as one. And the other one is got little, and I'm a silver girl. I prefer silver. So there's that. And here it says, and here it says on here, enjoy your mystery box featuring the top most favorite full-size items in our collection. Visit ParadiseDelivered.com or SingleSwag.com for monthly boxes, a variety of mystery boxes, and highly rated individual items. Use code HUGS for 30% off your next order. You deserve it. So there you go. You can use that if you want to. So there's that. Yeah. They're always so worth it. They really are always so worth it. You figure you get this for 50, 60 bucks. Well worth it. So anyway, that is my Single Swag Colossal Mystery Box. And I see they have a new one curated just for winter, so I may pick that one up too. So come on back, like, subscribe, do the YouTube stuff. Bye.